It's a bit dark, you know. Hello, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's about to rain. That's why it's a bit dark in here. But we are live, guys. Let me just pull up this. Okay. All right. Now we got the charts on. Danny may miss out on a very big trade in the morning. Yeah, gold it dropped 1,000 pips, and I was just sitting here like, let me just wait for the London session. The London session at haijaanza, and the market is already down. Let me go live on TikTok as well. Okay, we are live on TikTok as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are live on. Welcome, guys. Welcome to my live. Welcome, guys. So, guys, we are live. We are live. We are live. We are live. So I'm live on TikTok. I'm live on. And I'm live also on YouTube. So welcome, guys. Karibuni. Let's talk. Let's chat. Karibuni, guys. Welcome to my live. Welcome, guys. This is my live session. What's up, guys? So I'm also live on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube as well. Welcome to the live session, guys. So I'm looking to trade oil because I will gold miss this morning. I missed this beautiful trade. It go almost 1,000 pips. You're gonna look for a possible short. Like I didn't take it. I didn't take just 1 hour ago. Nilikuwa nataka ni sell gold from the top there. And now it has moved like 1,000 pips because imetokea from 4,862 and now sasa hivi inasoma 4,750. So yeah, guess it wasn't my luck. Anyways, tuko live here on YouTube. We are live on TikTok. So this is the first live. I know but that's not the problem. The main issue is to get started. I know with time, people, when we actually do some work, showcase our lifestyle, showcase everything, then probably we're gonna make more. So title ya live yetu ni kwamba we want to turn $100 to infinity. Ningeingia hii trade ningekuwa sasa hivi almost up like 1,000 kwa sababu ni pips 1,000. So and I usually go hard on gold, kwa hiyo ningekuwa nimemake a lot of good profit hapo in just the first trade. Kwa sasa hivi I just have to wait for the setup ambayo nilikuwa naiangalia on oil kwa sababu ya gold imeshaniacha. Niko live on YouTube as well kwa sababu on YouTube I want to document this journey. So the journey is, if a Tanzanian guy can turn $100 to 10,000. The goal was 100,000. Like 100,000 is going to take me a long ass time. I don't have the mental strength to say we go through that kind of tension. But 100 to 10,000 is much more doable, and I think it's much more easy to handle and manage. So yeah, this is $100 account in live, or like, I hope you can see it. Live trades. Hii ni Exodus app, so deposit 100 USD, that's 200 laki mbili na elfu sitini. So we want to turn this to 20 something. I've done last month nilifanya from 100 to 4,000 and 100 to 4,000, yeah. Alafu in previous years nimefanya a lot of flips before, nimefanya a lot of turns, yani flip accounts before. Like this time around, I want to do it seriously. I want to go hard on it and do it live so people can see kwamba we are not joking, we are not playing. So playing. Niki win niki complete the challenge, yes, nitawapa wale viewers, the frequent viewers, nitampa mmoja tuseme shingapi, 500 is fine, au 1,000, but yes, 1,000 is good, like a giveaway. So if I make 10K from 100, so nikitoa $100 mpaka 10,000, 1,000 goes to one winner, one lucky guy or girl ambaye atakuwa ana join live frequently. Kwa hiyo kaeni mkawa kula. I'm also live on YouTube. Niko live on YouTube as well. Lakini YouTube, I don't know why the screen is not finishing. Okay guys, nitawapa $100 kila mtu. Kwa leo okay. My mic imepungua, imeisha charge. Okay, now. Okay, so hapa nataka niingie my first trade ya today. Nataka ni sell oil. The reason to sell oil is basically kwa sababu tumetoka ku reject from the top of the structure, so like it may create like something like a double top, then it can sell off, alafu baada ya ku sell off ikaanza ku correct. So I want to take the break of this correction probably to the downside. Kwa wale ambao waliingia live juzi, I did explain this trade and it went perfectly. Tuli make some good money kwenye hii trade ya kwanza. Alafu sasa hivi ni kuna trade opportunity nyingine ambayo I want to take it from right here to the bottom up. So I want to take it from the break of the structure. Kwa naweza nika take a sell from something like this. Like this is my setup moment. So because this TikTok doesn't like mtu kusema kwamba like you're gonna make money or anything. So this is only financial. It's no financial education. This is strictly just for educational purposes. Even you wanasemaje? I don't know. Many people say like this is financial free. Bro, like just know like I don't want to sell you anything. So I'm not selling you anything. I'm just doing this for fun. And I have few activities to do. Most of my friends are mesafiri, and maybe I had some work. I had to stay around. So the work has been done. Like in sasa, I still have to wait. And I still have to wait. So ndo maana sijasafiri pia. I had some crazy work to do, dear man. Okay, let's see how your TikTok is doing. Yes, this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. So guys, it's not financial advice. So I'm looking to take a trade on gold and on oil, I mean. So mimi nachofanya huwa na trade natumia AI pia. I utilize AI kwenye manage my trade positions. So inanisaidia kuondoa ile mental attachment ya kwenye trading, kwa sababu sometimes ukiwa una trade bwana, unakuta umeweka hela alafu you are constantly checking your phone, yani kila dakika una check simu yako, trade imeendaje. So hiyo sometimes inaweza kukufanya ukapoteza fedha nyingi, ukapoteza hela nyingi, ukapoteza opportunities. Sometimes unaweza ukajikuta una close positions mapema instead of holding them out. So in order for me to, mimi hiyo ndio ilikuwa one of my biggest struggles. I was so good at taking trades, taking good positions, lakini I was so bad at, managing them. Unakuta naweza nikapata a very good trade setup, lakini kwenye kumanage, that's where I mess up. Kwa nikawa najikuta napoteza a lot of money because of poor trade management. Trade management is one of the key stuff for you to be able to make it in this business. Risk management. Watu wengi wanaongelea risk management. Yani ukiongea na traders, and this is something it's very funny. A lot of people usually speak on trade management, like I can tell you 90% ya how watu huwa they don't follow, like they don't follow that trade management. Mi mwenyewe when I used to teach people how to trade, nilivyokuwaga nafundisha, I used to preach ya kwamba trade management, risk 1%, risk 2%, not more than 2%, blah blah blah. Nilikuwa naambia sana watu hiyo, but I never really followed that rule. Yani unakuta mimi per trade naweza nika risk like, mfano kwa sababu those early days tulikuwa hatuna hela, most of us didn't have the capital to trade. Siku hizi kuna hizi prop firms and all those stuffs, lakini zamani kulikuwa hamna hivyo vitu. Yani so zamani you were just like taking trades, you know, and you are trying to flip an account. Ndio maana hata mimi ile mentality ya kuflip account imekuwa nayo, yani mpaka these days. Like there was a time I was managing over like a lot of money. I won't say the amount. I was managing a lot of money, and I was actually, yani the mental stress ambayo inakuja from managing a lot of money, kwa sababu pia losses zake zinakuwa nzito. Yani unakuta before with $500, 1,000, labda your biggest loss unakuta ni labda 300, yani per trade. Lakini unakuta una trade account kubwa and your biggest loss is, let's say, $5,000, yani unaona negative 5k pale, lazima uchanganyikiwe. Ni milioni 10 na kitu hiyo, unaona. So like ilikuwa ni lazima uchanganyikiwe. So the setup has gold. Yeah, so hii ilikuwa ni mboga moja ya setup. Yani I just missed it kwa sababu nilikuwa nasema bwana, ngoja nisubiri London session ianze. I think right now London session has already started. If not, basi ni after now. Yeah, so London session has started. We are 7-8 minutes in the London session. So I am looking at two possible setups: oil na gold. Oil naweza nikabai pia, because if you look at this in impulse correction, haikuweza ku break before. Kwa I believe like if this is the move that goes up, then this is the one ambayo ita break above, na maybe tutaweza kurudi kwenye the new highs ambazo zilikuwa created once the conflict ya Iran na Marekani ilivyoanza. And looking at this setup, I believe inaweza ikaendelea mpaka huku juu, because if you look at this, we had that big impulsive move, then a correction, then right now inajaribu ku create ile momentum kwenda juu. Tulisha create the first touch, the second, the third, ambapo tuka push, tume reject. Sasa hivi I expect the next push higher, lakini pia vile vile if we don't respect that, then tunaweza tuka break tukarudi chini. So yeah, it's just trading is the game of patience. Yani ni kama mimi navyokuwa patient kuwasubiri nyewe muingie live mniangalie, because right now if I look on TikTok there is no one watching, lakini on YouTube there is one person watching. Yeah, on YouTube there is one person watching. It's a struggle, you know. Sometimes you just have to, kila kitu kina take time. Everything takes time, so you just have to be patient with everything. How do I market TikTok? I need to Google that. Promote. All right. So like I said, tunasubiri kubuy oil. Mimi ambacho nasubiri ni kubuy oil because selling it is kind of a risky move at the moment. Kwa sababu with the conflict that is going around, yani there is no hope ya kwamba like everything will turn out right anytime soon. Ukifuatilia most of the like news outlets wote wanaongea kwamba the Strait of Hormuz kufungwa. Jana wamelipua sijui ni refinery ya Saudi Arabia, like the largest oil depot ya Saudi Arabia. So wameibomb jana. So the escalation would probably continue and push prices higher. So of course kuna zile juzi walitangaza kwamba like wamewaruhusu wa Iran wasafirishe few of the barrels. So yeah. So it's a bit something to usually I trade for 1 hour. Like I analyze the charts for 1 hour and then I will continue with other stuff. So right now my setup is already usually naingia after the first 10 minutes of London session. That's when I usually look for a possible trade. So right now I wanna take a trade on oil. My first live trade, guys, my first live trade kwenye challenge yetu ya 100 to 10,000. Let's see. I haven't connected it yet to my AI trade manager. I have to do that before I trade. I have to take a wire. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm taking my first trade live, guys. Our first trade live. Yeah, oil. Tunanunua mafuta kama Waarabu. We are full potting oil, guys. We are full potting oil. We are taking a trade on oil. Here goes nothing. I can't take a trade unless I connect it to my AI. Kwa sababu mimi kuimanage nitazingua tu. So I have to follow the rules. Okay, guys. This other laptop in a stack. Okay, man. It's time for me to go. Boom. Jesus. Okay, we just entered our first trade. Nimeingia trade off my phone kind of stuff. Okay, we have entered our first trade already. US oil currently ni negative $2. So tumeanza kidogo on drawdown, lakini tumeingia our first trade on oil. I'm working on connecting my AI so that the trade management can be automatic, kwa sababu mimi kumanage mwenyewe nitazingua. So I will explain to you guys how I have implemented AI kwenye my trading journey. Before nilikuwaga napata shida sana kwenye kumanage trades. Yani nilikuwa napata shida, unakuta nafanya kila kitu lakini kwenye kuimanage ile trade nazingua. Yani unakuta naingia trade imemove labda $50 na close. Kwa hiyo nakuta na leave out a lot. So yeah. Shaingia our first trade. Let's see how it plays out. You deserve a future. Let's see how it plays out. Hopefully it's gonna play out well. I don't want my first trade to be jinxed. My first trade ikawa I lost. Itakuwa ni mbaya. My trading view is stuck. I don't know why. Like even on my phone, pia ilikuwa ina. Okay. Kwa sababu this challenge is gonna be live. That's bad. That's bad for a first trade, man. Tumeanza negative, go down. Damn, and we're down a lot. Nimeingia na risk kubwa sana on oil. You deserve the sacrifice. Hatutoboi. Hatutoboi. So, okay. Trade is going good at the moment. Kimini head and shoulder hapo. Okay, the trade is going good. Ngoja tuone how it plays out. Let's say it and see. Damn, man, imeingia straight into profit, guys. That is perfect. 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 Perfect trade. I'm gonna show you how much I make at the end of the live. The trade is going good, guys. The trade is going good. Lovely, lovely. It's lovely on oil. I love to see that thing, you know. Napenda kuona vitu kama hivyo. Our first live, our first live, our first live. Tunaenda counter to the trend. Like I said in the early stage of this trade, of this live at this trade, of this live, we were looking to take a sell trade at the break. And now the break imekuja ambapo tumeweza kubreak sasa hiyo trend line, and now I am waiting to see how price is going to react, obviously around this area here. I don't know why my internet is super slow today. Nice. Tumeshare double account mpaka sasa. We let the AI do the management. Mimi sitaki kuumiza kichwa. So mimi kazi yangu tu ni kuimonitor, kuangalia how it plays out, to look at the opportunities, to take the opportunities and let the AI do the rest. I will share with you my We are doing good, guys. We are doing good. That's nice to see, man. It's nice to see. Trade ya kwanza live inaenda vizuri. That's a blessing, man. That's a whole another level. That's a whole nother level. May his favor be upon you and 1,000. It's nice to see how the trade is going. Nice to see. Nice to see, guys. Nice to see. Really nice to see. Nice to see, man. It's really, really nice to see. Hope people gonna see this, the journey. You know, sasa hivi hamna mtu anayeangalia, lakini once we start posting our results, posting our movement, that's when we're gonna see movement, guys. Believe and you shall receive. Believe in the hustle, man. Believe in it. Sasa hivi we have 0 viewers on both platforms. Lakini once we start pushing this thing, going hard, you know, this result starts piling and coming in. Everyone would want to be with us. And I'm doing this for free, guys. Siuzi course. I don't sell courses no more. I don't sell signals. I'm just doing this for fun, man. For me, it's just for fun, guys. Sihitaji, I mean, I don't need the stress to start teaching people. I got other stuff to do, man. I have many stuff to do. Yani sasa hivi yenyewe tu ni kwa sababu I don't have like it's a holiday. Tomorrow ni sikukuu, sijui kesho, sijui kesho kutwa. So I don't want to like, let me send someone some money, you know. Kuna mtu kaniambia nimtumie something 216. Mbili sitini na nane. Okay. The trade is going good, guys. We are going good. So labda tu niweke hii ku showcase where I entered. I entered around 96.30. Setup yangu ni hii hapa. So I entered once that market spiked pale juu, then I took the sell. Kwa hiyo hapa sasa hivi we are running in good profit, almost tripled the account already. So it's nice to see, man. It's nice to see. Nime-risk, like I'm risking a lot on this. Yani nime-risk $100 yote. Because we want to flip this from 100 to 10,000. And we are doing it live. Sio kwa siku moja, no. I don't want to sell anyone dreams here. We are not doing that. We do not sell dreams. I need to deposit some money. 263. Cash out. So, we made some money. We are making some money live, guys, live. Tuko live peke yetu, lakini humble beginnings, yeah. Humble beginnings. Humble beginnings. We lift you up. Okay, guys. So, labda ni explain kidogo my AI, how it works. I'm gonna show you. So, I've created an AI tool ambayo I attach kwenye MetaTrader, which is the platform we use for trading. So what it does is when I take a trade, yani hata kama nisipo place a stop loss, it automatically looks for it looks for the average time range, like average trade range. Kwa hiyo yenyewe ita calculate like the stop size ya mimi kutumia, alafu pamoja na pia ikishaingia ile trade, mimi on my subconscious I know my target is around 92, lakini a lot can happen in between. Kwa what it does is like whenever it reaches a certain amount of profit, inachukua kidogo, ina close some partials, alafu ikifika, let's say for example, if ikifika hapa ina close some partials, ina move the stop loss to break even, kwa ina remove risk kabisa. Kwa mimi nakuwa na trade without any like psychological fear ya kwamba like this trade is gonna, mfano kama hapa sasa hivi mimi sina hofu yoyote kwa sababu the bot yenyewe tayari ishaweka my stop loss to break even na ime close some partial profit, so even if the market ika decide kurudi tena juu, I don't lose anything. Kwa hiyo inanisaidia mimi kwenye ku manage my trades na kuondoa ile psychological torture kwamba every time I have to look at the charts. So it's a very, very nice tool and I can share with you guys free. I don't sell these. Hii unaweza ukaitumia wewe unavyojua. So all you have to do is have a VPS setup. Hii ni virtual point server, virtual private server ambayo ni inakuwa ni server ili iwe online all the time. So inakuwa ina manage trades zako zote. Kwa ukiplace trade inakuwa ina manage, ukitake inakumanagea trades zako. Kwa hiyo ikiwa ina move, let's say kama ndo kwenye news, una trade news, inakuwa ina trail stop loss. Kwa hiyo market ile inavyo spike, ina move stop loss juu. Kwa hiyo even if the market decides to reverse, the chances of losing zinakuwa ni ndogo. Of course, kama entry zako ni mbaya, it doesn't mean kwamba the bot will trade for you. It doesn't trade for you. It only manages. Kwa hiyo you do the hard work ya wewe kutafuta the trade setup ya kutafuta entry. Ukisha place an entry, that's when the bot comes in, it starts to manage your trade. A lot of traders wanna sell bots kwamba sijui na trade itakutengenezea dola ngapi. That's where you get scammed. Hapo ndo unapopoteza mwanangu, yani hapo ndo unakofeligi kununua maboti ambayo hayana maana. And I made this bot using AI, completely with AI. As a lot of people know, mimi, I'm so deep into AI, into tech stuff. Kwa hiyo like by the help of AI, na sijasomea mambo ya tech wala nini. Mimi, I just had the passion for it. Sijawahi kusomea. So kama hapo mimi, I don't have to worry kabisa because the trade has already, the bot has already started managing the trade. So it's managing the trade for me. Well, this is not a trading bot ya kwamba itakutradia, itakupatia fedha or anything. No, you do the hard work. You know, people usually wanna fall into the trap ya kununua maboti, sijui robot. They fall into that trap because all they wanna do is get quick money, and trading doesn't really give you quick money if you come to think of it. What trading does is, trading inakusaidia wewe kuondoa, like could get like an extra source of income. Let's say Mimi at first, before, like I had all my eggs in one basket. Like I needed trading. Yani mimi nilikuwa nafanya trading ndo kila kitu. Ndo inilipie rent, inilipie chakula, yani niendeshe maisha yangu ya day to day. And that is where I messed up. Kwa sababu it reached a point in time like you haven't made any money in the market and rent is due. Rent is due, so you have to pay rent. And that was a struggle for me. For the first few years, that was a struggle for me because unakuta nilikuwa nimeinvest hela nyingi kwenye market, labda nimeinvest labda dola 2,000 3,000. At that time was a lot. 2018 2019 kutrade dola 2,000 is a lot of money, guys. Zamani ilikuwa a lot of money. Sasa hivi you have prop firms na trade dola laki, sijui dola laki ngapi. That was because we didn't have access to trade to those opportunities kama these newbies or squeeze or gurus or squeeze have. These days, like it's easy for you to get access to capital. You just have to learn, prove yourself that you're a good trader, tafuta prop firm, lipia, then start trading. Zamani, sisi we had to go through the hard way. You trade, either flip account, uuze courses and signals, you get the money from courses and signals, you invest it into the market. So it was a struggle for us. Yani like sisi traders wa zamani tulikuwa na struggle sana. Yani we struggled a lot. So ndo maana yani those early days watu wengi walikuwa scammed pia, because like unakuta you are just a random guy and somebody comes to you and wants you like, oh, I mean, nina dola buku hapa. Sasa yani at that time dola buku was a lot. Mtu anakupa dola buku umtradie, unamtradia, ina blow, anaanza kukusumbua, mnaanza kukanana, kutafutana kama na polisi kabisa. So it was hectic. Yani kulikuwa kuna cases nyingi kama hizo. Mimi of course what I am thankful for is ni kwamba I never had to struggle like hivyo sana. And I didn't have to go through hizo issues za kuanza kuscam watu, kununua, kulipia watu kufanya. And like I didn't, because for me honestly, I wanted to do trading as a full-time job. Yani mimi ndo ilikuwa ndo full-time. Yani it was my way of escape. Yani ndo njia pekee ya mimi kutoboa. Kwa hiyo ukiniambia swala la, yani mtu angekuja afu anakuja ananiambia swala la kwamba like, oya, sijui chukua investment hii hapa, nataka ni invest kwako, sijui nini. Hivyo vitu vyote tumevifanya, lakini tulikuwa nafanya na watu ambao waelewa pia. Yani mtu ana invest kwako because of anajua kwamba even if like ukaipoteza hii hela, you are good for it. Sasa wengi unakuta at that time, kwa sababu ya lack of capital nini hivyo, you haven't still proven yourself. Kwa hiyo unakuta mtu tu anaingia kwenye issues, anakamatwa, anapelekana polisi nini. Kulikuwa kuna madrama kishenzi enzi hizo. Kulikuwa kuna a lot of traders ambao walikuwa very I won't mention names, lakini walikuwa wanaipa trading a very bad reputation, man. Yani it was a very bad reputation. Yani tulikuwa tunaonekana ma traders wote ni maskama tu because of the stuff those guys used to do. Those guys made trading so hard, man. Why does it have to do? So you're gonna connect this account to my bot so that shit. So that I can be able to trade it now. So that the bot can be able to trade it. So as you can see, the market may reverse, imerudi back into that, and imenitoa at break even, lakini nimeweza the bot was able to close $50. Kwa hiyo tumepata $50 in profit. I will show you, kuna kitu nafanya hapa. I will show you guys. It's not bad for the first day. The only downfall ambayo like I'm trying to fix with this bot is unakuta mfano kama hivyo, like the market in a reverse, like iki reverse ina give back a lot of the money that it has already made. So a new feature ambayo nili fix into it ilikuwa ni feature ya kwamba like ikifika like let's say you start with $100 and niki make $100, then it closes the trade completely. Yani kwa sababu mimi ilikuwa ni kama target yangu, yani kwamba by like for every $100 account, kila napopata $100 na close, napopata $100 na close na endelea. Yani like that way I feel like I am able to grow the account in a quick and fast and scalable way. What? Nagoma kulogin account. We lay our crown. 134.05. Okay. Let me go see our digits. 058522. Starting to piss me off, man. $13, $40, $58, $52, $2. Why am I doing this all wrong every time? Okay, so I'm trying to log in into my account. Trying to log in. Trying to log in. Now log in kwenye ZPS MT5 real 190. Finally, damn.
Incoming mail.
Finally, it has worked. Okay, so hapa ni gold na oil pekee. Okay, as you can see, market imerudi all the way back to our entry. So right now, I don't have any position open on oil. I can just remove that. So I'm just going to monitor how this is gonna play out. Lakini sasa hivi ndo nilichokuwa na expect kwamba itakuja ita spike, ita catch people on the wrong side thinking kwamba this is gonna sell off, after then it probably breaks above, kwa sababu naturally sasa hivi tunachosubiri on oil ni kubuy, yani kwa sababu ya everything that's going on around Iran. Kwa hiyo kusell oil is more of a knife to your head, you know. You want to analyze yourself. Oil imetembea kinoma. I am so sad why I missed this trade, man. It was so clean. Yani I had this trade set up so clean. So clean, man. So clean. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nisha, load my bot. Let me just put on the settings to make sure everything is correct. I don't want it to fuck me over. So labda niwaonyeshe tu kwenye screen because oh man, gold is gold in a drop vibaya mno. Like I think I can enter another trade as well on gold. Gold imedrop vibaya mno. I don't know what's going on, man. Like, why is it running? Nakimbia wapi? Yo, hapa ndo ile fear of missing out comes in. Like, why did I miss this trade? Why did I miss it? Na siwezi kuingia hapo. Like, it will be a suicide. If it was around here, maybe ningeichukua. Sema hapo, it's more of a suicide. Tukiangalia higher time frame, like where is it running to? Okay, so it's running. This is like this big liquidity area right here. Okay, I see what's going on. So it's probably looking to go all the way down to 4650. I would mark this area hapa as the lowest target point and more like I expect it to go to next. So 4 hour. No one can carry. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So hapa ambapo tunakiona ni kwamba imebreak. That's the 1 minute. Okay. Okay, naangalia kwenye both screens, yani cause naona huku ambako na stream like it's a bit laggy. Naangalia on my other screen ya MT5. So I want to go and take a short trade. Ninataka ni sell gold. Najua it's late, it's a risky move, but we are here to scalp. We are here to get some few pips and get out. Or like maybe to even 4,700 hapo, like almost 400 pips. Nataka tu nichukue pips chache. Nakimbia. I don't want to hold it too long. Ngoja niambie bot kabisa. Bwana, I don't want shege. Like I don't want shit with you. And when oil goes down, gold usually tends to go down as well. Silver, actually, silver na gold zinafatana. Ni kama mtu na demu wake. So yeah. Okay guys, okay. Oil inanipa opportunity nyingine ya kuweza kuiscalp. Kuja tuione. Oil. So kama ilivyo tu nani pale mwanzoni, hapa imeform like an engulfing, lakini I would wait for this to close above, then to probably look for a potential push kama itakubali. Lakini kama isipokubali, then if it rejects again hapa, then probably tuta sell off at a minimum to this level. At a minimum. at a minimum to that level. Gold, okay, gold now. Ngoja niingie sasa trade yangu. Nilikuwa nasubiri irudi kwenye psychological number ya 4750 and it has. So now I can safely enter now because it has already swept the early sellers. It has swept the early sellers where he moved down. Ngoja tuone if it rejects hapo, then we can probably take another sell trade. Right now bado ina push juu. Ina push juu. Ina push juu. Oil looks tempting, lakini unaweza ukasell hapo ika spike ikakutoa juu afu ikarudi chini. So it's kind of a tricky one. Lakini what gives me confidence is that if it fails to break above this high, it means kwamba imefeli kwenda juu. So like it's a swing failure. Na hapa create a new low point. So probably like this will be a nice setup to sell mpaka hapa ili to create the new lower low because it's forming lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows. So if this high it can stay intact mpaka saa tano kamili in the next 8 minutes, if it stays intact, yani isipo break above na ika close hapa chini, the next 5-minute candle, I'm gonna sell. So it's just a matter of patience, you know. Patience. Tayari nishaweka my bot. Oh my God. I've never been live this long before. But like I said, I don't have anything to do. It's a nice Thursday. I'm just at home. I do have some stuff to do, like I can stay with you guys until you don't want me no more. Actually, there's no one. Yani hapa ni kama na record for the YouTube purposes for later. So hapa I'm recording just content for later. I know like early days, I didn't expect to have much. I didn't expect to have much at all. %. Okay. Gold is still pushing. Gold is still pushing higher. Is retracing a little bit. So what I've done is nimetengeneza two accounts. Nimetengeneza one account for gold, na the other account for One, yeah. One account for gold and one account for. TikTok inaniambia kwamba I'm inactive. Oh my god. Oof. I missed my trade, man. I missed my trade again. Gold inanikimbia kinoma, inanikimbia haitaki nipige. So I'm stuck with oil, man. Alafu oil sielewi leo. Gold imenikimbia man. 150 pips, man. Like 150 pips. I was waiting for like a retrace back up. Nilikuwa nasubiri an entry from the top bar. Let me tuangalie US30. Damn, gold, like gold, bro, gold. How did I miss that, man? Oil, oil, oil. So oil, like I said, if it doesn't break above, then probably tonight. And if this head it can close below this week up, probably tunaweza sell off. Okay, now I have my entry. I have my entry locked in. We're looking to lock in our entry on oil. I think the praying around is over now. Okay, so Satano Kamili, the candle didn't close above. So right now, I am looking for a possible short in a loop full sell. So I usually go on the 1 minute to confirm. Yeah, nice, nice. Let me take a sell trade here. Okay, we are in the trade. Let's see how that plays out, man. Let's see how that plays out. Oil. The first trade we closed with only $50. Let's see if we can double the account for the day. Let's see if we can double the account. We're already in profit, man. We're already running in profit. It's hard. It has to be that easy, man. It has to be that easy. When I do money, I used to complicate trading. I used to think like this is some holy grail shit. Like, I came to find out like I only have the mindset. The mindset is everything. Mindset not lucky. So we've already entered the trade. Let's see how it plays out. Have the patience in Aplingia. Notice your invoice being generated. Oh my god, everyday invoices. Kutana na invoice hapa. Anyways, let's wait and see how this plays out. This trade is the one. This is the one. Like I say, we are waiting to see if this breaks below this low here. Now, if it break below that, it means we are deep in profit. And it could drop all the way down to this point. Oh yeah, let's wait and see that low point. So around 94.30 something. Yeah. We are already in profit, guys. We are already in profit. So nime separate one account will be just specific for gold. Now nime create another account just for oil. Oil he trade nime open on another account on the new account, which is currently up $7. Patience pays. $7. Nimekaa $7 tu hapa na hataoni. $7. Kitu sawa. $7. Patience, guys, patience. So let's play some music. Play some music in the background. Woo! That trade is going perfectly, man. Perfectly. Nice to see, man. That's really, really nice to see, bro. Okay, I don't like this rejection here. I don't like this. So it means if this holds, then we are fucked. Ooh, man. If I take a loss for the day, like on the next trade, then I'm done for my session. I will come back during the um, night, the New York session. Let's wait and see, man. Okay, man. Okay. Gold in a drop, yeah, man. Oh man, like I was in this trade, bro. Because I had it on my watch list. I had it. I was looking at it. Instead, I decided to trade oil. And oil is messing up while gold is doing phenomenal things. Sometimes gotta get your money. Regardless, we're gonna make it. Regardless.